Hello and welcome back to our online academy. So today we want to check what we have been practicing before, the last two sections. So we will start the form over. Please step backward a bit. Yes, we start the form. So 预备走 Make sure you don't shift. Yes. Breathe in, breathe out. Go. Again, breathe in, coordination. Breathe out, the finger move, fluid motion. Go down, relax. Turn, open, yeah. Open, go. Don't move the knees. Open, yeah. Be careful, do not change the shoulders, okay? This is very important. No shoulder change. 续步 turn. Right hand, look 45. Step. Leg and hand. Raise same time. Step. Go over. Open, the right hand stay place. Open, turn 弓步 change 马步 use the hip movement. Relax. Step close. Step backward again. 马步 push 弓步 Be careful with the knee. Don't overstep, okay? The knee stay at the place. 马步 turn the body. The knees don't move again. Stay same high now, okay? Same high. Step close. 1, 2, open, kick, come forward. 马步 relax. Step close. 50%, okay? Then step backward. Shift forward, and the hip motion come from right to left. Now from left to right. Turn, go, look, raise the leg, straight. And here, be careful that you don't move elbow, okay? So when we hear 1, 2, and 弓步 change 马步 turn over, both hands, one line. Step, step, same time. Then we hear, relax the hand and the hip turn to the right side. Kick, open, turn the hip, make hand free. Turn over, 马步 Go, 弓步 right hand to heart. Push, open, turn, open the hip, up, right hand and knee go up. Like Taiji, okay? Turn to the left, turn right and step close same time. Then we're here. Now leg and hand same time. 弓步 in front of right hand. Push forward. Brush over the knee. Go forward. Step. Up. Relax. Block. Step. And pierce forward. Okay? So here we relax. We try this form one more time till here. Okay? 太极28预备走 yes. Careful, don't shake around. Try again. Be careful. The rotation finish the same time when the heel touch the ground. Then you don't shake here. Don't shake. 备走 Okay, so. Elbow relax, elbow look to the ground. Go, breathing up. Finger fluid motion, go upward. Elbow relax. Shoulder relax. Don't raise the shoulders. Elbow look down always. Now upper body straight, go down, breathing, knee don't move. Upper body turn, shoulder don't change. Shubo, step, and breathe in, go. Yes, straight. Stop, be careful here. Yes, elbow relax, okay? Do not raise the elbow. It will make the shoulder very hard, okay? You can touch for yourself. When you raise elbow, you make the shoulder hard, okay? Okay, so. From here, see. When you're here, 1, 2, open, step close, okay? Okay, upper body straight, hip inside. Put the hip in, okay? Go. Yes, yes, go. Open. Do not make the hand straight, okay? When you step close, do not make the hand straight. Watch carefully. What happens? When we hear 1, relax, relax. 2, 3. When we stretch the elbow, we make the path longer. When we make the path long, we have trouble with the coordination. The fastest way of energy transmission is when the elbow don't change. So only the hip change is the most power efficient way. Yeah? Go and then we step close. Yeah? Do not make the path long. You will have trouble to finish this coordination. And it's not correct, okay? Okay, so from here on, yes, from here on, go, step back, 45, push, shoulder relax. Be sure to open the shoulder here, okay? Open this shoulder, yes. Relax this, yes, okay. Elbow relax, okay. Do not put pressure in the shoulder, okay? Be careful. Both shoulders open the same way. Now change. Mabu, yes, okay. Relax again, open the shoulders, don't move the shoulders, just move the upper body, okay? Now Tinzebut, use the hip movement, yes, hip movement, and slowly go up, breathe, and the finger come forward, yes, Mabu, block, and the left hand go forward, and step 50-50. Hands stay, whoops, stop. Hands stay same high, okay? Hands stay same high, and now step backward, yes? The elbow relax, and change, and the right hand come to the hip. And here, long, okay? This long, stretch, yeah? Shoulder relax. And now shift with the hip acceleration, okay? The same time. Let's try this movement one more time. So we are here. 1, and acceleration, shift forward, and use the hip to bring the hand forward, okay? So the shoulder turn to the left side while you shift the gravity center forward, okay? And then we're here, okay? So, go. Yes. Be careful. Watch closely one more time. When we're here, the hand here go in round shape. The leg go up, and now we turn like this, okay? And same time, we sit on the right heel, then we here. The elbow don't change. And we go up, and we do the kick. Okay? Open the hip when you do the kick. Yeah? Do not make the kick here. Make outside, yeah? Outside kick. Okay, then Gombu, shoulder relax. Go. Mabu, change. Here, yes. Do not change the elbow when you do this thing. You see here, Gombu, relax. Mabu, use hip movement. Outside, then be here, okay? Mabu, okay, change. Now keep the hand, whoops, keep the hand, same line, go. Yes, the right hand go up first. Relax the elbow. And then with the step, the right hand go up, okay? So watch closely one more time. When we're here, 1, 2, okay? Then we're here. Now change, and then go up. And then we're here. Yes. Oh, be careful to do not go like this, okay? See here. Turn. The elbow, don't change. Turn. Okay, here. Turn, okay? And then come forward. Mabu. Okay? Yes. Yes, okay. Relax, okay? From here, we open the hip, you know? Here. Watch carefully. 1. Go inside. Open the hip. 1. Now go up with the leg and right hand. 1, 2, 3. Step close. And you're here. Relax. Now be careful, do not put the hands away from you. The hands are in front of you, okay? So the upper body, look 45. And the hands are in front, not away. This is very important. Because otherwise we have no power for the actual push, you know. When you try to push from here, you have no power, okay? So you keep the upper part, the right hand in front of the heart, then it makes easy for you to push, okay? Okay, so now from here, be careful. Yes, step, combo. No, step like this. 1, turn, right hand in front of heart, rechte Hand zum Herz, yes, go, and brush over the knee. Shoulder relax, shoulders same line, okay? Okay, and from here, 1, 2, up, 3, down, 虚步, straight, hip inside, block, use hip movement, and hand wrist relax, okay? Block, step, and we push forward. All right? And open. Open. Step, open again. And we here. 1, 2, combo, punch. Okay? Now we hear this posture. 1, 2, 1, 2. Step backward. Left hand stay up, right hand and right leg same time. Step. Right hand up and heel touch the ground. Relax the shoulder. This round, okay? Round. Posture round, hand relax. Yes, here like this. 1. Okay? Round shape. Now from this movement, keep the elbows in the same angle. Step, punch, shift forward, punch, turn, 50-50, change, punch, shift forward and look, open, come here, step close, right hand relax, swing through and right hand in front of heart. Okay? So this is where we stop our correction online class. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon for more. Goodbye.